What's up guys, it's Michael LV here. I just want to give you a quick video of my helmet motovlog setup. So I picked up a brand new AGV K5S helmet in matte black so it matches my Ducati, because I do have several pieces on there matte black. And I got the GoPro Hero 11 black with the medium on. So after several recommendations, I ended up getting the purple panda mic, which is all hidden in here. All the wires, everything, it's all tucked up in there. The actual mic piece is right behind this side padding piece, so it's not visible. I did get the medium on because I do see a lot of setups where there's a lot of wires dangling and it just looks like a mess. This just looks really clean to me because you're able to put it through the vent and you can just plug it right into the medium mod right there in the back. Oh, so one thing about these AGV helmets I did not know, with this little switch right here, bam, you get a smoke screen. I didn't know that, and I just picked up this this smoke screen for daytime riding. Oh well, it's all good. But pretty much that's my setup, guys. I'm still learning and playing with the settings. Let me know what you guys are running in your setups. I know a lot of people are running the 360 mics. I'm sorry, the 360 cameras with different mics. So let me know how those are turning out for you. Just leave a comment below. If you guys have any questions, I'll get them answered right away. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.